magti-take ka ng let at hindi mo alam kung saan ka magsisimula. Well, you don't have to worry anymore because Miss D is ready to help you. So ano nga ba ang dapat nating pag-aralan? Ang ating pag-aaralan ay nahahati sa tatlo. If you are BSEd, pero pag BEd ka, dalawa lang, which is the professional education or ProfEd and the general education or GenEd. Ngayon simulan natin sa ProfEd. Ano nga ba ang mga disiplina or the subjects na dapat nating pag-aralan? Okay? So ito na nga, meron tayong 9 subjects. Okay? First, we have methods and strategies of teaching and field study. Second, technology for teaching and learning. Third, social dimension and teaching profession. Fourth, the teacher and the school curriculum. Fifth, child and adolescent learners and learning principles. Sixth, teaching internship. Seventh, social education and action research. Eighth, building and enhancing new literacies. And lastly, assessment of learning. Okay? So yan ang mga disiplina na kailangan nating pag-aralan. Okay? Iisa-isahin natin yan. Kaya abang-abang lang po tayo sa mga updates. Pagkatapos ay isusunod natin ang sa general education. Hinay-hinay lang muna tayo.